So last thing we want to do is we want to reset the oil reset message or light, whatever you want to call it. So first thing you want to do is turn on the car, but not the engine. So foot off the brake, press the start engine button, and then the engine is off, but the car is on. And we'll see here in just a second, it's going to say oil change service due. We want to get rid of that. Now we're going to press view, and this will bring up, it'll cycle through the views. We want this one here with the sort of 3 panels with the MPH in the middle. Once we have that, we're then going to click the right button right here. Click that, which will bring up this menu here. And then you can use the up and down arrows just to kind of cycle through. We are looking for distance and time. Once we have that selected, we're going to enter it, pressing the right button, and then we're going to press and hold the right button for about 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds, we'll let go, and you see here it'll bring up the service menu, and we're just going to go down to reset oil change, click OK, and it's going to ask you, do you want to do that? I'm going to say yes with the OK button, and we are all reset. And that is how you change or turn off the oil light warning on a Tiguan.